Guys, today I'm going to show one use of mendley. We can see sometime whenever we import one PDF file or one document to the library of the mendley, we can see that the details are not so correct. So what we can do, we can see for this one the authors are okay, but the title here, it is not according to that one. And whenever we go to the details, we also see the same thing. So whenever we are going to cite this research work in our document, it will become faulty. So how we can update the detail easily? So what we can do is just open the file externally or open the file. Just do open the file externally. I'm doing open the file externally. It will open it through the PDF reader in your system, and then you can do something like this. Just copy this one. I'm copying, Control C, and then just Google it. Okay, so the documents will come here. Suppose this is one IEEE publication, so I will go and copy the DOI number, digital object identification number, and then I will copy it, Control C, and then I will go to mendley. Okay, in this one, in this tab, we can see here we have DOI. So paste that DOI number here and then click search. We can see this has been updated. See, improved design for symmetrical 6 port. So this is how we can update the detail of any mendley document that is already imported in the library, but the details are not so correct. We can do using DOI number and then search it, and then it will be easily updated. Thank you.